Picture this, in a future where artificial intelligence acts as the ultimate lie detector, spotting deception with flawless precision. But what if that AI isn't quite as reliable as we hope, and could it even mislead us more than it helps? This intriguing dilemma lies at the heart of a groundbreaking study from Michigan State University, which explores just how effectively AI can sniff out human lies and whether we should put our faith in its judgments. Dive in with me as we unpack this fascinating research, and I promise, you'll discover some eye-opening twists that challenge what you think you know about technology and truth-telling. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, has been making leaps and bounds in recent years, expanding its abilities in ways that seem almost limitless. Building on this momentum, a team led by researchers at Michigan State University, MSU, has conducted an in-depth investigation into AI's potential as a deception detector. Their study, featured in the Journal of Communication, involved 12 experiments with over 19,000 AI participants to test how well these digital entities could distinguish between honest statements and fabrications from real people. The primary goal here was twofold: to gauge AI's usefulness in spotting lies and to use it as a tool for mimicking human behavior in social science studies. At the same time, the researchers wanted to sound a note of caution for experts relying on advanced language models for lie detection tasks. As David Markowitz, an associate professor of communication at MSU's College of Communication Arts and Sciences and the study's lead author, explains, this work isn't just about tech, it's about understanding the boundaries of AI in human-like scenarios. To put AI's lie-detecting skills to the test, the team drew inspiration from truth default theory, or TDT. Now, for those new to this concept, TDT is a psychological framework that posits most people are honest most of the time, and we naturally tend to assume others are telling the truth. It's like a built-in optimism in our brains that helps us navigate daily interactions without constant suspicion. Markowitz puts it simply, humans have a natural truth bias. We generally assume others are being honest, regardless of whether they actually are. This tendency is thought to be evolutionarily useful, since constantly doubting everyone would take much effort, make everyday life difficult, and be a strain on relationships. Using this theory as a benchmark, the researchers compared AI's performance against human norms in deception detection. They employed the Viewpoints AI research platform, where AI models were presented with audiovisual or audio-only clips of people making statements. The AI had to decide if the person was lying or telling the truth, and then explain its reasoning. The experiments varied several factors to see what influenced accuracy: the type of media, full video with sound or just audio, the context provided, like background details to help interpret the situation, the ratio of lies to truths in the data, and even the AI's persona, essentially, customized identities designed to make the AI behave more like a real person. For instance, imagine you're watching a video of someone denying they ate the last cookie, with full context about a family dinner. Or perhaps it's just an audio recording of a suspect in a mock interrogation. By tweaking these elements, the study revealed how AI's lie-spotting abilities shifted. And this is the part most people miss: the findings weren't all negative, but they highlighted some surprising imbalances. One key discovery was that AI often showed a lie bias, meaning it was far better at catching falsehoods, hitting 85.8% accuracy on lies, than verifying truths, only 19.5% accurate. In controlled, interrogation-like settings, AI's deception detection matched human-level performance. Yet, in more casual scenarios, say, evaluating someone's casual chat about their friends, AI flipped to a truth bias, aligning closer to how humans typically judge honesty. Overall, though, the results painted a clear picture: AI is generally more skewed toward suspecting lies and falls short of human accuracy. As Markowitz notes, our main goal was to see what we could learn about AI by including it as a participant in deception detection experiments. In this study, and with the model we used, AI turned out to be sensitive to context, but that didn't make it better at spotting lies. This sensitivity is intriguing. It suggests AI can adapt to different situations, much like a detective adjusting to a new case. For beginners wondering why this matters, think of it like training a dog. Context helps, but without the right instincts, it might still bark up the wrong tree. Ultimately, the study concludes that AI's performance doesn't mirror human results or precision, pointing to humanness as a crucial limitation, a boundary that deception theories might not fully cross with current tech. While AI might seem like an unbiased ally in the quest for truth, the researchers warn that the field needs significant advancements before generative AI can reliably handle lie detection. It's easy to see why people might want to use AI to spot lies. It seems like a high-tech, potentially fair, and possibly unbiased solution, Markowitz says. But our research shows that we're not there yet. Both researchers and professionals need to make major improvements before AI can truly handle deception detection. But here's where it gets controversial. Is AI's supposed unbiased nature just an illusion? Some might argue that programming AI with human-like biases could make it more accurate, turning a flaw into a feature. Others could counter that relying on machines strips away the empathy and intuition humans bring to the table. What if AI's lie bias leads to false accusations, eroding trust in justice systems? This sparks a bigger debate. Should we prioritize technological perfection over human judgment, even if it means overlooking the nuances of real-world interactions? To add more fuel to the fire, consider related advancements in AI's analytical powers. For example, recent studies show how AI can detect mild depression through subtle facial muscle movements, illustrating its growing role in mental health. Or think about how compounds in citrus and grapes might shield against type 2 diabetes, a reminder that AI's insights extend beyond deception. Even in wearable tech research, efforts to fix biases in data collection highlight how AI is evolving to be fairer and more precise. These examples suggest AI's potential is vast, but as this MSU study cautions, it's not ready for prime time in lie detection just yet. So, what do you think? Could AI ever become a trustworthy partner in uncovering the truth, or is human intuition irreplaceable? Do you see value in its lie bias, or does it worry you? Share your opinions in the comments. I'd love to hear if you agree, disagree, or have a fresh take on this tech-human tug-of-war. Source, journal reference, Markowitz, D.M. and Levine, T.R., 2025. The Efficacy of AI Personas in Deception Detection Experiments. Journal of Communication. doi.org/10.1093/jock/jqaf034